Aw, yeah! I just got my snack fever box for this month. Okay, so I just opened it. There's a bunch of stuff in here. First of all, I got this cute little snack fever box, book. Hold on, let me open it. See? It's so cute! It's got like a little notepad and everything in it. And it comes with a pen, which is awesome. And my favorite item in this entire box. It's a BTS fan! I'm so excited. And it's got their names and their pictures on the back as well. For those people who don't know who's who. Or if you get confused. That too. I'm so excited. Also, I'm wearing a Monsta X shirt. Another K-pop band. They're great. Alright, what else did I get? I got a Big Point sticker. Neo. His name's Neo. And the instructions on how to use it are in Korean. Obviously, I don't speak or read Korean. I can't. Not yet. Well, the only thing that I can say in Korean is 사랑해, which is I love you. So that's about it. Then I get the stickers. Always get stickers with this. Always. It's great. Then this tells you what's in it. Alright. Prepare for me to butcher the names of the things that are inside my snack fever box. You can laugh. Yes, that's fine. Alright. I don't remember if I got the deluxe box or the original box, so I'm just gonna read everything and we'll kind of mark it off as we go, as I find it in the box. Alrighty, the first one's gonna give me trouble. Okay. So the first one is Malang Cow Cotton Candy Strawberry. Oh, so these are like, okay, so obviously found that. This right here. These are the Malang Cow Cotton Candy Strawberry things. That's gonna be good, probably. Like, really good. Okay, and then we've got TikTok Wang King Candy. Okay, let's see if we can find that. That's a weird box. I may not have that. Oh no! Wow! I see something with like a jalapeno on it, and I'm not excited because that's terrifying. I don't like spice. Says the person who has food from Korea. I have no idea what these are. Hold on. I'll look at those in a minute. I found a brownie. I got a brownie. Hell yeah. I like that. Okay. Okay, so I don't think I got any of the King Candy. We're just going to call it King Candy, because that's easier. Oh, look! It's Popeye! Gotta eat spinach. Or maybe I did. Maybe I just got this. Boop. Pretty sure this is this is either the King Candy or it's the Lollipop Line Friends, which I'm guessing is the Lollipop Line Friends. And I think there's two of them. Okay. A little bit out of order, but that's okay. Okay. So let's see. The, mm, 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 mm. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm very, very sorry. Kanpong Sewukang. I have no idea what that is. So let me read the description for it. It says, in 12 years, Nongshim has finally released a new special edition of the original Sewukang shrimp crackers. Oh, they're shrimp crackers. I like shrimp. These stir-fried shrimp crackers with a hint of soy and garlic give you the authentic Chinese-Korean fusion flavor. Okay, I like all three of those things. So those are probably going to be really good. Oh, they look really good. They look really good. Also, this character looks slightly like Puka. When I lived in Mexico, they ran a show called Puka Igaru, or I think it was just Puka. I can't remember exactly the name, but yeah, it was about this little cute character that looks sort of like that one, and she was always trying to go after this guy named Garu, and he was basically a tsundere, kind of. Basically. Anyway, enough about nostalgia. Oh boy. Kong Jilmi. That wasn't bad. It's a traditional rice cake made into a snack form, made with 100% rice and sprinkled with powdered soybean. Okay. Let's see if I can find that. There's a lot in here. What is it? Okay, that's not... Ooh. These I'm gonna enjoy. They're churros! I have churros. Like, yes. I know I'm gonna eat these. Probably after I shut the camera off. Anyway, back to trying to find this thing. I'm guessing it's this? Oh no, wait, this is the Choco Pie. So this is a Choco Pie. And it says Choco Pie Calamansi. This is the new and exclusive limited edition of the Choco Pie. Unlike the standard chocolate pie that has the soft marshmallow filling, this one is filled with calamansi yogurt filling. I don't know what calamansi is. That's going to be interesting, probably. Oh, I found the King Candy. Ha! Found it. So I do have King Candy. Yeah. And after I'm done, I'll just go ahead and go down the line and read descriptions of the stuff that I got. So I didn't tell my mom I was gonna video. Hold on. Mom, I'm reviewing my box.
Oh, and I come in with woohoo.
Yes.
Go here. I'm gonna have ice cream for lunch.
She gave me my Mountain Dew that I asked for. Yay. Oh, that is a dangerous close-up of my face. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna go read down I'm gonna read the descriptions once, I'm done. Let's see, we've already seen the brownie. It's just a huge brownie. Like, look at this. It's the size of my cheek. That's big. I like that. Gonna eat that. Okay. Next thing is Buell Popeye. So that would be this. Which I have no idea, but it's got olive oil on the back. So that's cool. I have no idea what these are. But probably something to do with spinach. Suspicious. Okay, next thing. Since I already did the Choco Pie, let's go with these really weird things that look sort of like things that you take for an acid trip. They're Wujubule candy. I'm just going to read the description now so I can talk about it a little bit. An old school, star-shaped and sugary candy. Let's relive those sweet end memories of the good old days. Interesting. Well, these are probably going to be really good. They look cool. Haven't seen star-shaped candy like this before. So that's awesome. Okay, next thing. Pepero! I did get Pepero! Ooh, they're like chocolate cookie. Okay, so for any of you who don't know what Pepero is, it's kind of like the Korean version of Pocky. Pocky is basically a biscuit stick dipped in like chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream, whatever. And it's really good. It comes in a box like this. And I don't know about everywhere else, but here where I live in like if you go to Walmart, it's usually in the Asian section. Usually there, like in the Asian food section area, that's where they have that. And they're like $1. So you get a bunch of them. They're really good. I recommend trying them. Super good. I still have some unknown stuff in here. And another pie. Okay. Yeah, another pie. Okay. So now, obviously the churros. Got that done.
Churros?
Yes.
Korean churros?
I got churros. It literally says original Spanish dessert.
From Korea.
Yeah.
Great.
It's super cool.
Come on, puppies, let's go outside.
Okay. Baked potato slim.
Sounds like a trap.
I know. It says, these well-known Korean snack favorites are the classic potato chip, and it comes in a very slim form. So, obviously, probably gonna like them, because they're potato chips. They're just really skinny, I guess. Okay. I'm definitely not touching that. It's the double ring jalapeno cheese. Okay, this shit, not touching that. Ooh, I kind of like spice, but not jalapeno spice. So that's going somewhere else. That's going to somebody who likes spice. Message me and I'll probably send it to you. Just kidding. Okay, so we've already talked about the lollipop line friends. I already showed those. I'm pretty sure that's what those were. Let's see, the Mashitsnyun Ramyun. Oh! The name translates as delicious ramyun. Hint, you can't go wrong with this solid ramen. Why am I scared? Oh yeah, that's why I'm scared. It's got this stuff, and I don't like this stuff. But I don't know exactly what's in it because, again, it's in Korean, and I can't read Korean. Also, I may have found... Oh, okay. Here's the Kongjilmi. I thought these were another bag of chips. And then I reached the end of the list, and I'm like, huh, never mentioned this. So I got a bunch of these. All right. So descriptions. So the Malancow cotton candy strawberry. This. They look really good. It says Malang means soft in Korean. So basically soft cow candy. Cotton candy. Interesting. Okay. Soft cow doesn't sound too appetizing, but you won't be thinking those words when you try this milky cotton candy and strawberry flavored candy. Okay. I can get behind that. Where is I put the king candy down after finding it, and I lost it again. Okay, found the Tok way king candy. I'm so immature. This stuff, which honestly feels sort of like Pop Rocks. Sounds sort of like Pop Rocks too. So it says, Orion has just released a new candy snack, and this is not your average candy. This candy will explode and start a party in your mouth. So basically, Korean Pop Rocks.
Just don't accidentally pour them in the litter box.
Don't give me ideas.
To the ground forever.
Alright, here's the thing that I butchered last time. The Kang Pung Se Woo Kang. These shrimp chips things that look really, really good. Mainly because I like shrimp and I like chips. Combine the two, it's great. And I already read the description, but I'll read it again. In 12 years, Nongshim has finally released a new special edition of the original Sewuk Kang shrimp crackers. These stir-fried shrimp crackers with a hint of soy and garlic give you the authentic Chinese-Korean fusion flavor. Yum. Okay. And now the Kongjulmi. Kongjulmi. Traditional rice cake made into a snack form, made with 100% rice and sprinkled with powdered soybean. So the flavors it comes in are green tea, banana, and soybean, and I got banana. So yay. Definitely gonna eat those. Those sound so good. And then we got churros. Basically just your average Mexican churro. My mom's quoting from the Book of Life now. Great. Okay, so this says, who doesn't love a good churro? Well, you're in luck with these churros. Small and compact and loaded with flavor, these are the perfect snack for churro lovers all around. That was a lot of R rolling. Alright, the Buell Popeye is next. I'm so suspicious of these things. These things look sus as fuck.
When I see Popeye, I think spinach. Spinach is not my friend.
Same. I'm worried. That's why I'm going to read the description. So, Buell Popeye. Whoa, hey, what's this? Here's another snack made from instant noodles. Okay, so far so good. Inside of these toasted pieces of ramyun noodles, you will find little stars of sugary rock candy. Okay.
That's a strange combination.
It is. I'll give it a shot.
Mm-hmm.
Then the Choco Pie Calamansi. This is the new and exclusive limited edition of the chocolate pie. Unlike the standard chocolate pie that has the soft marshmallow filling, this one is filled with calamansi yogurt filling. And I got 2 of these. Coming in a nice bright packaging. The Wuju Buell candy. An old school star-shaped and sugary candy. Let's relive those sweet end memories of the good old days. These things that look like things you would drop at a concert.
Oh, Lord. Now I'm suspicious.
That's what they look like, okay? They look like acid tabs. Just saying.
And you would know this because?
TV. Pepero Choco Cookie. Pepero smothered in a chocolate coating and cookie bits. The perfect recipe for the perfect individual. That's you. This biscuit treat tastes so amazing that it'll have you saying Pepero. And that's this. I briefly talked about the other version, which comes from Japan, and it's called Pocky, and it's $1 at Walmart here. It's fantastic. Tastes really good. Highly recommend it. Okay, here's the thing I'm giving to somebody else so they can eat it.
Okay.
Double ring jalapeno cheese. A convenient, tasty sausage snack that can fit into your pocket. Sausage snacks are common and enjoyed in Korea, and there are plenty of different flavors to pick and choose from. But we bring you this newly released jalapeno cheese flavored sausage. And for those of you who are just joining me, this is what they look like. I'm not excited. I'm not eating this.
That Steve will.
Yeah, probably. Okay, the baked potato slim. These well-known Korean snack favorites are the classic potato chip, and it comes in a very slim form. That's these. Which I will devour probably after the camera goes off. 'Cause yay. Potato chips. Market O Real Brownie. These premium brownies are rich, full of chocolate flavor, fudgy, and moist. We recommend having it with milk. And this thing. Look at this. It's the size. It's the height of my cheek. The height of my cheek. This is a big brownie. Alright. Then we got the Lollipop Line Friends. Check out these Line Friends Lollipop. These friendly mascots all have cute facial expressions that will leave you smiling as you enjoy the mouth-watering candy. And I got 2 of these, so I could share with friends, if I had any, that live close.
Mm-hmm.
But all of you live so far away. Alright.
And I'm right here and I'm scared to try.
Alright, the last thing. Oh man, I'm gonna butcher the first name. Mashitnyun Ramyun. The name translates as delicious ramyun. Hint, you can't go wrong with this solid ramyun. That's it. It gives no description of what's in it. Although, based on the packaging, I could probably guess what's in it. Bunch of stuff I don't like. And yes, I don't like carrots. Deal with it. I don't like carrots, I don't like broccoli. Don't like jalapenos, onions, mushrooms, spinach, celery. None of that. But yeah, I have no idea what all is in this. All I know is that it's ramen, basically. And that I'm scared to try it. And then again, because I like to brag, My BTS fan. It's got their names and their pictures on the back. Look.
Mm-hmm.
It's so pretty. They're
I heard the
pretty.
squeal, I figured.
They're pretty. And yes, I did just say they are pretty. Because they are pretty. And then, again, standard sticker that comes with every Snack Fever box. And then, I'm not entirely sure how to use this, but it says it's a big point sticker. I'm not sure what that means. But it looks like a cat version of Japan from Hitalia. So, that gives me some hope. And this cute little notebook, which we have already established has everything I need inside, including a pen.
Shit.
Also, not Snack Fever related, but I spent $19 on this. I spent $19 on this. There are 50 gel pens in this pack. I love this. I love my gel pen.
Are you done? Get done. Almost 2 weeks.
I love my gel pens. Anyway, yes. This is all that came with my Snack Fever box this month. It's all food except for, obviously the non-edibles, like the cute fan and the notebook and the stickers. So yeah. Anyway, that's what I got this month. So next month will be a different one. We'll see what that one has in store for me. So, anyway. Hi, Jackie. And bye, Jackie. Bye, guys.